Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Instagram app is updated and you're logged into the account that receives Reels notifications. Once done, open your profile, tap the menu, and go to Settings to access notifications quickly. You do this because in-app controls override default device behavior. Making these changes in the app ensures targeted control. Make sure to check device-level notification permissions too, so you can combine both approaches for consistent results. You now navigate inside notifications to posts, stories, and comments, or directly to Reels settings. This is where Instagram lists Reels, recommended Reels, and similar alerts. Once there, switch Reels and recommended Reels to off so they stop appearing as push notifications. You do this because Instagram treats recommended content separately from activity. Turning both off removes the bulk of interruptions. After changing toggles, give the app a moment to register the new preferences. You finish by confirming device notification settings. Don't override the app. Go to your phone settings, find Instagram, and ensure push permissions align with the in-app off choices. If notifications persist, log out and log back in, and if needed, reinstall Instagram. This clears stale caches that can re-enable alerts. Make sure to repeat these steps for each account if you manage multiple profiles. If you still see notifications, check for linked apps or third-party services that may send alerts on your behalf.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.